everyone, our presentation today is about understanding the classification method in the world of dataset review. I am Putrina Purnama and my friends Winanda Agustia. We will explore important details in the introduction, methods, SLR results, discussion, and conclusion regarding this topic. Okay, we will start this presentation by discussion the introduction and method that will be started my friends Dwinanda Agustia.
Hello. Introduction. The classification method essentially involves using mathematical model to predict the cluster or category of database on pattern found in the existing dataset. The main goal of classification is to create a model that can generalize and identify this pattern in unseen data. Method. In the research, the author used the systematic literature review. A systematic review is a research method that employs a systematic and structured approach to gather, assess, and synthesize evidence from relevant studies concerning a specific research topic or question. Step SLR. First, planning. Identification of SLR need, development of a review protocol. Next, implementation, identification of research, selection of primary studies, and last, data extraction and data synthesis. Last, reporting is everything. SLR results. After investigating, examined 10 articles collected from the journal given by our lecturer. The articles were then extracted and mapped according an author, task, dataset, and method. First, author Poonam et al. Task, deriving useful information from existing medical data mining. Dataset, PIMA Indian Diabetes Dataset, PIDD Dataset of Diabetes mellitus. Method, multilayer perceptron, Naive-Bayes decision tree, G4-8 algorithm in terms of area of rows curves, correctly and incorrectly classified instance in WK. Next, Yoga et al. To analyze and classify the student proficiency on the learning process and learning result. Dataset multi-class in bidang EDM or additional data mining. Method, Naive-Bayes, SVM, and simple logistic. Next, Lalit et al. Use data mining classification technique for intrusion detection in order to build a safe network. Dataset consists of roughly for one attribute plus one decision attribute. This is now a class attribute. Method, random forest and G4-8. Next, Rahul. These datasets have been analyzed to prepare final solution. The decision tree when the improved ID3 algorithm is used on the same training sample loan dataset. Method, D3 interactive dichotomous tree and C445. Next, Kasban et al. Classification of diabetes dataset with data mining technique by using WK approach. The dataset which has been obtained from UGI machine learning depository contain 5020 instances and having 17 attributes. Method, WK approach. Thank you. For next, continue by my friend.
Okay. Thank you, Nanda, for the extraordinary presentation of the material. Next, I will explain further about SLR research. 6. Author is Sasi et al. Task. In this research paper, going to analyze the customer behavior that can help not only in the retail market industry, but we can use it in the medical online shopping. Dataset association rule using market-based analysis and use method of data mining are uploaded to enhance the conventional method. Next, Enda et al. Task. This study compared the performance of classification algorithm based on parameter values of actuary, precision, and recall. 667 dataset, 667 sentence, data, comment, and NBC suggestion. Methods, use methods NBC. Next, author Yulin et al. Task, realize high precision and efficient mining and classification of e-commerce big data and improve the intelligence of e-commerce big data application. Dataset, data control based on the framework and the weight of data jurisdiction dimension so as to deeply mine the big data of e-commerce and generate. Methods, use classification methods compared with SCM and SGM algorithm. Next, Chitra et al. Task for presiding performance level of students. Dataset 360 dataset of Calboard. Methods, classification, techniques, and WK classification. And the last, Wei et al. Task, provide some guides for the research and application of educational data mining based on online education. Dataset used educational data and methods, classification, regression, and prediction. Okay, discussion. In this discussion, the collection of journal presents a diverse range of studies functions on classification techniques in various domains, including incursion direction systems, study performance predictions, diabetes dataset classification, customer behavior analysis, education technologies, and handling imbalanced class data in education. The consistent use of methods such as G4H, SVM, WICA, and SCM across test journals reflects their significance in the realms of data mining and classification. Last conclusion, based on the review of 10 journal, it can be concluded the classification techniques particularly through the utilization of methods such as Z4H, SVM, WK, and SGM play a central role in various aspects of data analysis. In this context, the WK method emerges as the significant element employed in the 3 out of the 10 journals, signifying its popularity and relevance as a data analysis platform. G4H and SVM remain top choice, with G4H standing out for its model's interpretability, while SVM offers the ability to handle complex discussion boundaries. Okay, that's enough of our explanation. If there are any shortcomings in the presentation of the material this time, we apologize, and I ask a moderator apologize if there are words that are unclear. Okay, we'll end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.